In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to check and verify that Nytro's generated optimized meta tags actually appear on your website pages. It's important to understand how search engines and users see your web pages. Web browsers and search engines automatically render the raw HTML and JavaScript web page code. This automatic rendering process transforms the raw code into the interactive and visual elements that users see. To examine the meta tags that search engines see, you need to view the rendered version of your web page's code, and not the CMS raw output. From the Nytro SEO main left menu, select Pages, then Metadata. Press to expand the page you want to examine. You should ensure you are in View Optimized mode from the top right View mode. Then, simply copy either the Nytro SEO optimized title or the description, and open the actual web page. Once you are on the target web page, right-click on the page and select the Inspect option. Once the Inspect Code panel is opened, type Ctrl+F, paste the meta tag that was generated by Nytro SEO, and find it in the rendered code. Alternatively, you can use a special browser extension that allows you to see the render code of each web page. Once the rendered view is enabled via the browser extension, you can similarly find the meta tag that was generated by Nytro SEO in the rendered code. You can now confirm that the tags have been optimized correctly and are seen by search engines. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to verify that Nytro SEO generated optimized meta tags are inserted into your web page code. For any issues, you are always welcome to contact us for support and guidance. We are fully committed to supporting you and making the system work for you effectively.